To use clipping option to easily attach an image to your note on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, first you have to make sure that the clipping option on the Note app is on. To do so, open Samsung Note app, tap the three horizontal line icon at the top left, and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen. Under Advanced section, tap the gray on offset next to clipping option until the switch turns orange to turn it on. To see how this switch works, tap the back key. View the Note app in the pop-up view. Next, open an image on the Gallery app. On your Note app, tap the new note icon to create a new note. And then tap attach to insert the image that you are opening in the Gallery app to your note. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.